Michelle, how are you feeling? Kind of. Come on. Let's go outside. It's raining. Or at least it was. Come on. Beat you to death with a scarf. I'll hang you to the ceiling. He's hardy. You should try and make a face. Let's make this your new. Oh wait, this is your new hairstyle. Michelle, so much. Oh God!
You want tuna or you want the hamburger?
Scared the shit out of me. What?
You want tuna or you want hamburger?
I don't want a hamburger. Who you texting? Your girlfriends? Gonna go out tonight? Gino.
Wait, you're still in Austin?
Yeah, Troy's not gonna stay because he wants to go to.
Ow! Allie, you weigh a lot.
Then why are you smiling? I'm just sitting on you. Wait, why are your nails purple? Did you take my nail polish?
No, this is blue. It's my changing one. Now get off. You really are hurting me.
Are you better now? Can I have your iPod? Look at how dark everything is. Look at the nighttime setting and how sad everything looks.
Makes me happy.
It looks like we're in Twilight. Okay, so we're in Walmart, but why? Again? Grandma, why are we in Walmart? Grandma, why are we in Walmart?
Your mother wants toilet paper and pine salt.
Toilet paper and pine salt?
Your grandpa wants a pack of caramels and pack of bath cement. So you're gonna buy for grandpa. Michelle gonna buy for me. I'm not gonna buy for Garrido.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't find any silk ribbons. Which ones are silk ribbons? Or silk... whatever. Michelle, come help me. I need help finding silk ribbons.
Silver what?
Silk ribbons. Silk. Over here, there's a bunch of different ribbons. And I don't know which one's silk. Because I'm not smart. And I can't read.
We all knew that, you know.
Wait, are these silk ribbons? What are these? What is this?
There's no silk ribbons here, dude.
There are none? What do you mean there is none?
The only closest thing to silk is satin.
Satin. Is there satin? Oh, so all these are satin?
Read it. It says satin.
Where does it say satin?
It says double face satin sash.
Oh, this'll do. I'm doing something. It's secretive. You can't know. What's up with your attitude? What's wrong?
Grandma went to fetch me. Told me to fetch you.
Fetch? Fetch what? Fetch? She called you a fetch?
No, she told me to fetch you.
Fetch you, as in find me?
Where's the damn beads?
Oh, the beads? I know where the beads are. They're in the next aisle. See? Told you. Beads. These are the beads. What do you want from beads? What do you want to make?
I just want to look at them. I make bracelets.
Can you make me one if I buy you a pair? If I buy you a box?
Box of beads are expensive. And then you have to buy string.
If I bought you, which I'm not right now, but maybe eventually someday in the future.
They're $197. And then here's this $197.
But those are ugly. They're white. Yep, those are nice. You know how much. What month is it, Michelle?
Oh no, look it right here. Glow in the dark.
I want those. Would you make bracelets for me?
Oh yeah. Okay, you know what?
And then I'll buy you some later. Not now. What are those?
Braiding cords.
I knew that. The bitch playing with her toys. You know in 60 seconds it'll work. Me bought. See, now it went. No flipping people off, Michelle. Like my computer background. That's a scary sight. I'm doing like the single ladies thing.